if you want to transfer data from iPhone to Motorola Edge 70, here's what you can do. So first of all, on the Motorola Edge 70, we can open settings. In here, we need to scroll down in order to find backup or copy data. And then in here, we have copy data using Android switch. So we can go ahead and select this option. And in order to transfer data from iPhone, we need to get the Android switch app on our iPhone. So we can just simply open the the App Store. And over here, we can write the Android switch name. There we go. And you should be able to easily find this app and then use it. So of course, open it over here. On our Edge 70, we're gonna tap on Start. Here, we need to choose iPhone or iPad, of course. There we go. Now we just need to wait a couple of seconds. Now let's just go next over here. And you can use a cable that fits both your Motorola Edge 70 and your iPhone. However, if you don't have a cable, then of course you can choose cable doesn't fit, so you can transfer wirelessly. We will get this QR code, so on our iPhone now, we can tap on copy data, and then we can just immediately choose to join the Wi-Fi network if you have that option. If not, then we can just try again in order to scan the QR code, if that is, of course, necessary. There we go. And let's tap on join. And now we need to wait for the connection to happen. After that, you can choose whatever you want to transfer over here. So of course, some things you can decide to not transfer if you don't want to. And in some cases, some things cannot be transferred at all. Like for example, apps, because unfortunately, apps are built in a different way on iOS than on Android. So you will have to go through the Play Store and you will need to download your apps manually. And of course, once you're ready, just press continue and follow the rest of the instructions that you will see on your screens on both your Edge 70, of course, and your iPhone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.